welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amandeep Singh. So in today's lecture, I will start again the question of the day. Okay. So the question is, let A be the set of all continuous function f from close interval 0, 1 to close from 0 and open from infinity, satisfying the following conditions. The condition is integrate from 0 to x ft dt is greater than equal to fx for all x belongs to close interval 0, 1. Then, which of the following statement is correct? A has cardinality 1. Cardinality means A is a set having element 1. Okay. A has a cardinality 2 means set having element 2. A is infinite means set is infinite means having infinite element. And fourth one option is A is empty means A have no element. Okay. So which one is true? Okay. Now for this we get a result. Basically it is either a result or a condition. Okay, so we take that type of function which is continuous as well as satisfy that condition. Okay, satisfy that as well as this condition. Okay, so what is this condition? F from 0 to 1 to 0 infinity close interval 0 to infinity. Okay, and f is a continuous as well. F is continuous. Okay, and third condition is 0x ft dt is greater than equal to fx. Okay, so we take such a function which satisfy that condition. uh, okay okay, so जितने फंक्शन इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे उतनी हमारी कार्डिनलिटी होगी. ओके, ठीक है. सो लेट अस टेक एनी फंक्शंस. मीन एनी मींस लेट टेक एफ टी is equal to any like t square. Okay, so definitely it is a continuous function. If we check it is it satisfy our conditions. Okay, domain should be you should note that the domain should be 0, 1 and range is 0 to infinity. Okay, so let us check that condition. So if we put this value in such condition, so it means it is t cube upon 3 0 to x, so it is x square. Okay, so when we solve it, so x cube upon 3 is greater than equal to x square. It means it is equal to x cube is greater than equal to 3x square. So our answer will be x square. X minus 3 is greater than equal to 0 means x is greater than equal to 0 or x is greater than equal to 3. Okay, but our domain is 0 to 1. So therefore x is greater than equal to 3 are not valid. Okay, so we take ft is equal to t square. We take ft is equal to t square function for a particular domain only. Okay, when x is equal to 0 only. Okay, so, when we put x is equal to 0 here, so this means it is equal to 0. Okay, it is equal to 0. So means like that if we take any function, then definitely function will be itself 0. Okay, for because domain ही ऐसी आ जाएगी जब हम उसकी वैल्यू जब इसमें पुट करेंगे तो function is itself 0. So therefore we can say only one function can exist in such type of condition. So therefore A has cardinality 1. So our such question option A is true. Okay, so in this day we take two questions. So the second one is true or false. A be a countable union of lines in R cube, and then R cube A is connected. Is it true or a false? Okay, so it is basically a result. Okay, so what they are saying, they are say they are saying A is countable. A is countable. Is any countable set? Then we take R cube upon A. R cube upon A means the element of A should be subtracted from R cube. It means this type of set contain X elements such that X belongs to R cube, but X not belongs to A. Okay, it is the meaning of this type of set. Okay, so now either here is R cube or either here is R square, or either here is r, ठीक है, it is one of the same thing, means it can also be, means this result is same as r square minus a and r square r minus a. Okay, what is this result? This result can say कि r क्यूब को जब हम काउंटेबल सेट से माइनस कर देंगे, मींस जब हम इसका डिफरेंस करेंगे, देन our result is always uncountable. Okay, okay, our result is always uncountable. If here is r square or either here is r, the result will definitely same. Okay, means a should be countable. You should be note that a must be countable. Okay, okay. We can take another example. इसको समझने के लिए एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? तो देखें, if we take any set like r and here a is equal to q, because q is a countable, so it means it is a irrational number, and we very well know that irrational number is a uncountable set. Okay, okay. You should note one thing also. If we take here any uncountable set, means we take irrational number. Okay, so it means it is equal to r minus q. Okay, it means it is q only which is countable. Okay, it means when we take uncountable set here, then result will be countable. Okay, so it will be opposite. Okay, if we take countable here, then result will be uncountable. It will, if we take uncountable set here, then result will be countable. So therefore this statement, uncountable means we can say that connected. Okay, uncountable means we can say that connected, and countable means it is disconnected, and uncountable means it is disconnected. Countable means it is disconnected, means if we take countable set here, then result will be uncountable. Uncountable means it is connected. Okay, okay. So this one is true. This one is true. I hope you will got it. If you have any problem, you can asking me in a comment section. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you.